Hey, what's up? I'm gonna do a quick video on my power knob for my Daiwa Saltist 5000 spinning reel. I got this off eBay. It's called the Gomexus fishing power knob. They have it for a buy it now price of 24 bucks or best offer. I gave them a best offer of 20 bucks and they accepted it, so FYI. That comes apart like that. So in this order right here, that's exactly how it goes on. The original power knob, it's the original shaft too. There's no drill and it goes on the old one. You just take the old knob off. And then you got this spacer, the first bearing, the bottom half of the power knob, the top half cup. You got that black little spacer. The bearing goes on top of that, and then the screw. When you put the screw in, you're going to want to put some blue Loctite on there so it doesn't loosen up on you. Right there. So let me see if I can do this for you where you can see it still. So you start off putting the spacer on, and then the bearing, the bottom half of the cup, the plastic piece, the black plastic piece goes in there, the second bearing, and then the screw. Tighten that down. I did not put the blue Loctite on yet because I expect to be taking this apart again soon. And then put the top part on and it's good to go. Nice and smooth. And it's a nice addition to the reel. Looks good. Color matches. And yeah, I won't fish without one. Personally, it's way better than the T-handle. It just feels so much better. But yeah, that's it. Any more questions, just ask. Leave a comment and I'll answer them. Alright, thanks guys. See ya.